Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm really excited to share this macrame plant hanger with you. This project needs about 50 meters of 4mm cotton rope. The plant hanger measures 25.5 inches long and it can hold many pots with a diameter of 10 to 15 centimeters. In this video, I used some of the knots that include wrap knot, double half hitch, lark's head knot and square knot. Let's get started. First step, you use 8 cords, 4 meters long, fold them in half and then you pass them through the ring. Next, you use one cord, 0.8 meters and fold it like this. Place the loop in the area below the ring. Then you use the longer end and tie the wrapped knot. Please pay attention, wrap firmly and evenly so the knot is as neat as possible. Pass the end of the wrapping cord through the loop. Then you pull it all the way through to the folded area will be pulled inside and bring the working end along with it. Next, you take 4 cords and tie a square knot. And then you tie a half of double half hitch. After that you tie the double half hitch knots. Please kindly note, with the left side, the cords are tied counterclockwise and the right side is clockwise. You connect them by tying a half of the double half hitch, and then you repeat the process to create 10 more diamonds. Next, you repeat the process to create 3 more straps like this. Next step, you make the cradle to hold pots. First, you tie the lark's head knots. Then you use the cords 1.1 meters and 1 meter long to add into the edges of the straps. Take one cord, 1.1 meter long, fold in half and attach it to the between of the third lark's knot. Next, you tie 3 more lark's head knots and then attach one cord, 1 meter long like the way you did above. You tie 10 more lark's head knots and then you repeat the process with the other side. Use the remaining 1.1 meter and 1 meter cords and do the same with the other 3 straps. Next, you tie the square knots. Since it is a bit short, I tie 1 more lark's head knot for each side. Next, you repeat the process with the other 3 straps. You connect the edges together. Next, you tie 2 rows of the square knots. Last step, you tie the wrap knot to fix the bottom. You take 1 cord of them to make a loop and 1 to wrap around the loop. You should choose the longest of them to wrap. Please note, wrap firmly and evenly so it is as neat as possible. This plant hanger can help you hang a variety pots from 10 to 17 centimeters in diameter. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel to update new videos as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching.